All right, today is the last day that we're going to work on our triangle congruency. So all you're going to do today is this puzzle that I'm going to explain in the next slide. This puzzle is going to be due at the end of class, and it's going to count as classwork. So please make sure that you're doing it. Please also make sure that you're using Quizlet, because next class we're moving on to proofs. So on the Teams page, you will find this. It is a PDF. Yes, you will have to redraw the pictures and write your congruency statement and also the rhyme underneath. So again, all year we're working on reading comprehension. So for each problem, give the correct naming in order of the congruence triangle. Write the name in order of the lines for the problem number. See the bottom box. Also indicate which postulate or theorem that you use. So if you see in the PDF, it tells you exactly how many you should get. So this should not, you should never finish this, and it's a self-check. You can look. So we're going to do the first one together, and then you're going to do the rest on your own. So if you look up here in the picture, I have this segment BC. It has one tick. So this is where I would get out my highlighters. This segment also has one tick. They're congruent. I also have segment AC. It has two ticks. It is congruent to segment IR. That has two ticks. And then this lovely angle here, C, is congruent to angle I. So we have a side, an angle, and a side, and that angle is in between those two sides. So this is going to be congruent by side, angle, side. So all caps. Now this is where it's important, your triangle congruency. So triangle ABC, well, A has an orange side and then no side. So if you look at your other triangle, that is R. B again has that light blue and then no side. So if I go to my picture, W also has a light blue and no side. So that is W. And then C, of course, has that red arc. So C is congruent to I. So then you're going to come down here. So this is number 1. So you are going to write that RWI where it says 1. So it's going to go RWI. And that's how you fill out the bottom puzzle. Again, it's a self-check for you. So please make sure that you do this. One thing I want to note in this problem, you will see some angles that are marked with an an arc, and also a tick. Again, that's just another way that we can mark angles. They can have an arc with a tick in it. So the arc and the number of ticks inside lets you know if it's congruent. So making sure you get this work done. I'm going to count it as classwork, and pay attention to the due date, study your Quizlet, and of course, be safe. See you guys soon.